Drop it.
Welcome back. Let's now have our third example. So here we're going to start to input now array values. So I have created a class named array3. So let's start by importing our scanner by typing here import java java.util.scanner. Okay. Next thing is let's start here public static void main, and then let's create our scanner here. Scanner input is equals to new scanner system.in. Okay, so next thing is let's declare now some variables. Int I will be used for our loop, and then let's instantiate here. Let's instantiate an array by typing here int. Let's give it a name a is equals to new int, and then let's say 5. Okay. Next is we're going to ask the user now to input values. So let's start by saying for I is equals to 0. Then this time, instead of saying I less than 5, which technically would cause problems soon, but let's use our previous example using the length variable. So instead of using 5, let's have it a dot length and then I plus plus. Then let's have the user now input the values. Let's display enter values or a value, okay, like that. And then let's input here a array is equals to input that next int. Okay, there. So once the user has inputted the needed values, let's display now the content of our array. Let's display elements of array. Okay. Next is let's create a loop for I is equals to 0, I less than a dot length, and then I plus plus. Okay. Then let's print out the values here, and then let's make it one line there, and then let's just have some spaces plus a, and then our variable for loop I here. Okay, so I think that will work. Let's try our code. So again, we have used here the scanner to input our data. This code here allows us to input the values to be stored to our array, in which case the length here is 5. And this section here just prints out the values that we have inputted. Okay, so let's try to run our code. So here, okay, now if you look at this section, enter value. Let's say we have inputted here 1. Okay, to be printed out next line. Okay, so it's supposed to print 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. There we're able to print out the elements of the array. Well, we can still improve this by removing this, and then we could well move a print here. Okay, something like that. Okay. Let's try this one. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there. So this is our third example that allows us to input now array from our keyboard. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. Thank you. Bye.